use plugins and other tools that already exist to build applications that have AI in them.
What's up, everybody? It's Hayden Ballio again at Connect.Tech 2023 here. This is day 2 in Atlanta, and I'm here with the Mark Thompson. Mark, I'm gonna let you introduce yourself.
Yeah, so Mark, work at Angular. I work at Angular. Listen, I've been talking all day.
He's had 3 talks.
Yeah. So I work on the Angular team at Google. Mark Thompson. You also know me as Mark Texon on Twitter. So if you're on Twitter, Mark Texon, T-E-C-H-S-O-N. My wife is really smart. She came up with that handle.
I love it. So you like you mentioned, you've been talking all conference. You've had 3 talks, right?
Yes, sir.
With the leading keynote being yesterday around AI, which is a huge track here at Connect.Tech this year. I kind of want to dive into that, all right, with you, if that's okay. So, like, first of all, if you don't mind, give us a little brief around what you talked about yesterday.
Sure. So the big thing that's happening right now is that lots of people are scared. When I say scared, I mean they're not running with like hysteria or like crying at night. But I think as a developer, the recent advancements in AI have really made it hard to feel like you have a career, a future in this path. And so I want to give a talk that helps people to know, like, one, don't be scared, right? And the better thing to do is have a plan. So that's what we talked about yesterday. We covered like algorithms and some of the AI algorithms. And then I also covered like, here's what I would do next if I were you. Like, here are the exact steps I would take. And here's what I'm actually doing to future-proof my career in this new landscape.
Yeah, no, I love that because, I mean, truly using AI as more of a tool to help enable and facilitate and to augment your abilities, as opposed to thinking of it as a doomsday scenario where AI is going to write the future of code. Right. I think that's a great way to look at it. So, like, what are some things right now that, you know, if a junior dev or even a senior dev is watching this right now, what are some things that you think that they could focus on over the next 6-12 months to help future-proof?
Sure. So the way I've been laying it out is 2 ways. One, learn how to augment your abilities with AI. Yeah. That's a complete thing. So learn how to do prompting, learn which tools are the right tools within the domain that you want to work in. So if you do, you know, coding, use AI-based coding tools, learn how to use those to help build up your AI abilities that way. But the second path, which I think is the longer game, is to be able to build AI systems. So learn how to like use plugins and other tools that already exist to build applications that have AI in them. So not only using AI to write the application, but like incorporate AI in the application.
I love that. Okay, cool. Yeah, that's great. This is golden. I want people to be able to follow you if they see this video and they're like, hey, I want to follow Mark and I want to follow the journey. Where can they find you?
Sure. So, told you my wife is really smart. My name online is Maximum SEO. So if you just search Mark Texon, M-A-R-K, T-E-C-H-S-O-N, you will find me everywhere that I am. Instagram, X, LinkedIn, you name it, I'm there.
I love it. Well, please go follow Mark. Follow HeroDevs. We got a new video, I'm sure, coming soon. I don't know where this is going to be in the rotation, but we're doing a lot of videos at Connect.Tech, and I'm excited to bring them to y'all and some of these tidbits and nuggets from knowledge from Connect.Tech. I really appreciate you watching. Thanks again, Mark.
You got it. Thank you for having me.
Peace, y'all.